Happy birthdays as well. You always find the latest courtyard permanent solution. Out of the box.
Hello and welcome to a special edition of Radio Waves by Todderbert. June 1st is fast approaching and begins the start of hurricane season in the United States. To help bring awareness to this and other storm-related events, such as floods, severe thunderstorms, and tornadoes, I've decided to host an emergency radio giveaway. The Kaito KA550. Yeah. Yellow radio. The reason I chose the yellow radio is to celebrate National Yellow Radio Day, which also occurs on June 1st every year. The day was founded by the YouTube creator, The Radio Geek. Cool guy. He does radio reviews just like myself. Check out his channel. I'll put a little card there. Real neat guy. I saw some of his videos too before I got started in doing my own. So it's excellent. If you guys can hear that, but it's thunderstorming outside. Great. Perfect for this video. Rules will be the same as my last giveaway where 3 CC Skywave radios were prizes. So similar to those rules, just look below here in official rules. Very simple and basic this time around, but the basic rules still apply. You must be 21 years of age or older. You must live in the United States of America, including Hawaii and Alaska. I added those 2 states, which is awesome. One little clause, if you're under 21 and or out of the country, and you have a contact in the United States that's 21 years of age or older, then they can claim the prize for you, and it's up to them to send it your way. So they may want to keep this wonderful item. They may go, hey, I like this radio. Just a nice way of giving to those who can't quite qualify. You can if you do have somebody that can sign for it and lives in the States. And it's up to them to send it to you or give it to you. So that's great. So let's go ahead. Let's see what else we got to talk about. So to get entered in this drawing, what you have to do is comment below, Happy National Yellow Radio Day. So that's all you got to type. So it'll pop up here. That's what you type in the comment section below this video. Drawing will be done on 2 p.m. June 1st, anytime thereafter. And then the video will be posted that evening to show who the winner was. So if you're wondering, you got till June 1st of 2019 to get entered for this radio. And I said after 2 p.m. Central Daylight Savings Time, I will draw a winner and I'll post the result in the video that evening. So awesome. And a couple little extra things, and then we'll look at this radio. We have a privacy policy. Any personal information obtained during this giveaway will be kept private and will not be used in any way except to facilitate the radio to the winner. Another disclaimer I have is YouTube.com is not a sponsor of this giveaway. You are required to release YouTube.com from any and all liability related to this giveaway. And then follow all YouTube community guidelines, and there's a URL down below to check out. That's just all the legalese I have to get out of the way to do a giveaway on YouTube. Yes, all those things. Okay, so here's the box. The radio came in. Awesome. I've done a review. I'll put a little link to that review up here too if you want to check it out. You can see what this radio can do. A lot of features similar to the KA500. I like this radio because there's no soft touch plastics. It's all the smooth plastics and nothing that's going to degrade over time like that rubberized coating can. So I do like that. It's one of the major reasons why I'm giving this one away, because I think the people who get this are going to love it. So you can see what it can do here. It's got the basic stuff. You got NOAA weather alert, AM/FM radio. You got shortwave radio, awesome. Solar power, crank power, cell phone charger, MP3 charger, LED flashlight. You got this reading lamp, which is really nice, which I'll show you. USB jack, built-in speaker, of course. Headphone jack, which is handy. iPhone, was it iPod charge? Yeah, okay, charges your iPod, yay. Okay, and I think on the back of the box has similar. So inside the box, you get a USB charging cable and micro variety, and you also get a pair of inexpensive headphones. I don't know if you'll use them or not. I haven't used them, so they're brand new. This whole thing is brand new. I did a review and I never used the radio, so it's brand new. So let's go check it out. So the radio is right here. Here it is, the Kaito 550. I'm going to bring this down here to get a better look at it. Yep, yellow. I love this color, yellow and black. Looks awesome. So yeah, you got your dynamo there on the left. Got your speaker with good audio. Got your selectable weather channels there. You have your band select switch here. Then you have your mode. You can run on normal batteries, the built-in batteries, and then of course you can go to your alert mode. I believe it's all the way to the right there, the NOAA, so that this radio will chime if there's an alert coming through. Of course, you get your LEDs there showing you battery, if your battery's low, if you're in tune. There's your 4 bands. You got the AM on top, FM, and then you got shortwave 1. It starts at 3.2, which is great, and goes all the way to 22 megahertz. Awesome. And over here you got a red flasher LED for like an SOS, like a watch out for me light. And then you have a regular flashlight there, which I can show you actually. Let me just go ahead and... So there's your flasher. And you got a little beam there. And then you got your reading lamps, which are on the back under the solar panel. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This lights up really nicely, so you can read by this if you have to. And it's, of course, pivots all the way up, so you have your... You can position the solar panel to the sun. Love that. QC pass, that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and turn that off and run the battery down. So here we got a little antenna. It's about 14.5 inches, I think. Just if you do shortwave, you might want to clip a little wire to it. 10-foot wire maybe, or buy one of those Kaito T1 antennas. I like those T1s. I use it all the time. Gives some great reception. Over here we got a little jacket. Got some stuff behind there. It's your USB charge out. Headphone jack. A DC in 6 volts if you want to, I guess, use an AC adapter to run the radio. And then there's your DC in to charge the internal battery, which is nice. I'm glad they did this. They used that to charge the battery. You don't have to worry about an extra supply right away. And your battery compartments right here. Got the rechargeable battery hooked up, ready to go. And then here you can put in optional 3 AA batteries. Yeah, this is a great radio. I'm gonna miss it. Awesome, awesome. Let me see if I can get this battery door back on. So that's why most reviewers don't like to open up battery doors on video. So there you go, solar panel. On top there, so I got a nice little carrying handle. Love it. Let's go and turn this thing on and see what we can hear. I'm going to extend this antenna a little bit. Maybe I'll clip my wire and see if we can pick up any shortwave. Hard to say with these storms up in town here, but I'm going to clip this on anyway. Here we go. And first of all, we'll go to the weather band and see what's going on in my neighborhood. Let's go ahead and see, turning the radio on here.
Severe storms exist primarily on Wednesday, mainly along and southeast of Interstate 55 ahead of a cold front. Gusty winds and small hail would be the main threats with any of the stronger storms. Spotter information statement. Spotters may be needed this evening, mainly well south of Interstate 80. General storm motion of the day, moving toward the northeast at 40 miles per hour. At 2 p.m. at Chicago, O'Hare rain was falling. The temperature was 43 degrees. The dew point was 42. And the relative humidity was 97%.
So here we got smooth volume control. Love that. And of course you can change those. So I don't know if I'll pick up anything else here.
0.19 forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles ashore on Lake Michigan. For the following,
there we go, channel 7.
Harbor to Wilmette Harbor. Temperature 44.
5.
Through around midnight. Then partly
3.
cloudy after midnight. Lows around 40. The temperature was 39.
Channel 1.
At South Bend it was cloudy. And 50.
So I get a lot of coverage on this. So I got 4 right there. Nice, in my basement. Cool. So let's go ahead and go to shortwave. So FM, AM, shortwave. During the day here, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's see if we're going to pick up anything. I'm going to go kind of quick up here. Don't expect to pick up much. Maybe we can get the time signal. That'd be nice. Of course, I'm going pretty fast. Interesting, wasn't sure what that was. So we can get WWV on 10 megahertz, possible. This antenna is only strung up to the inside of my window, not the outside. So we got that. Let's go to Shortwave 2 just see if we can pick up anything for kicks. I'm going to go down past probably 18 here. Don't expect to find much. I just don't think these storms are going to help.
Has just wrapped up in Cuba, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Uruguay, and the Canary Islands. The plane, directed by
So DSP radio, gotta take your time. I guess Cuba. So not bad for a little emergency radio. Smooth tuning. All right.
Estamos en tiempo de descanso. Enrique Massa llegó al descanso con 5 minutos añadidos. Ha habido golpes, lesiones, pero sigue ganando el área 0-1.
Cool. So we'll go to the AM band. Just go scroll through that real quick. We'll hear more there. For 10 is on this dial. Pretty much, yep, right at the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and go to AM. Take out this. Yeah, I'm having fun with this. This is probably one of the last times I get to use it. Alright. Probably get my locals. Might be in Shortwave 1 here. Let's try here, get weather. FM. There we go, AM.
Checklist to 847-984-0037. That's 847-984-0037. Think of this checklist as your GPS for your retirement years. Tabota and Associates has helped hundreds of families plan for their retirement, including sunny days and the quality clothing.
There's our lightning.
Thing about John Cusack. That's a great pull. Sister named Joan.
So that was pretty accurate on shortwave. Not so accurate on the AM band. This is 670 and we're almost at 800, but usable.
And knowing that I didn't even put that together with the Cusack part, and it's not going to catch Jaws, but
all of them together. Right. So that way we would be sure that we would have the best one.
Yep. Give your Twitter again, Louisa.
At Louisa Chu.
Okay, and Nick?
At Nick DK.
Thank you for coming in.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
Thanks so much for having us.
And remember, go to ChicagoTribune.com and you'll find the entire French press.
Oh, you just like to argue. Schedule your free pickup from the ComEd Energy Efficiency.
That Bobby Rush was getting money for these various for his church, but some other nonprofits that he ran. You know,
acaba esa de vez, pero veo como que se le sentía piquete como cuando se le duermen la pierna a uno así en las dos pantorrillas.
Transactions and that of his family as well. She wants to investigate any potential illegalities involving Trump's real estate holdings. The June 2016 Trump Tower meeting.
Not bad for not moving the radio.
Go to the 20th century, and you've got great places.
I thought it would be more expensive.
A friend told me about Ethos. It's a new, straightforward kind of term. It's policies for any budget.
It'll be the Bucks and Celtics in game 2 of their series tonight. Milwaukee needs to win. They even it up in the game of peace. Brooke Lopez said they need to pick up the pace.
De moda aquí en el armario, hasta el fondo de tu armario. ¿Qué hago aquí adentro? ¿Guardarías el caviar al fondo del refrigerador con la casa y la leche?
In 2008, and Hillary's 48% last time.
what changes more significantly. Con esa anotación, el minuto 15 se puso conjunto holandés.
The music was a squirrel on 1180.
But I think it was on both sides, and the Rockets melted down.
But it doesn't necessarily seem.
I'm feeling this radio was possibly analog before, and they never changed the spacing of the dial for the DSP.
Strive to be the employer of choice for talented and smart people who want to do work that matters. We offer an excellent... Drinking and making great beer. Their shared passion for craft beer has taken them on a... Будьте здоровы и мы услышим mornings 5 to 9 on News Talk 1440 WROK, Rockford's #1 News Talk station.
Kind of bad radio.
Live on 1440WROK.com. This is News Substance Abuse.
Okay, I had enough fun. Go ahead and turn this off. Alright, so the Kaito KA550 is going to be given away to a lucky winner on June 1st. After 2 p.m., I'm going to do the drawing. I'm going to use that YouTube commentpicker.com and pick out unique comments from down below there, and then ready to rock. So yeah, all you do is you got to comment that Happy National Yellow Radio Day to get entered and live in the United States, or have somebody that you know that lives in the United States and is 21 years of age or older, and you're ready to rock with this Kaito KA550. Yeah, I would like to have this. I mean, this would be a great thing to have in a household. I'm glad to offer this to you guys as a way of bringing awareness to hurricane season and severe thunderstorms, and of course severe weather season overall in our country. A lot of people could use this, especially with the alert mode. Maybe they'll want to invest in the AC adapter and run it all the time. Might be something to look into. So yeah, I'm definitely more sober about the weather part because of all the major storms going on, and of course hurricanes are no laughing matter. For those who live in Florida know all about that, or in Texas and Louisiana, you've been hit with those quite a bit. So hopefully one of the southwest or southeast people that run into those storms more get a chance to win this, or Tornado Alley, or some severe thunderstorm areas that cause a lot of issues. Hope one of you guys win this. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching, and good luck. Take care.